I'm able to smile and feel confident, that means a lot. It's just been heavenly. Hi, my name is Connie Porter, and I received dentures and a partial from Dr. Boldridge. I had noticed that with my present dentures, it was like they never did feel just right, but I kept thinking perhaps it's just me. Dr. Boldridge said, you have implants, but we can work around that. And she ended up doing a beautiful job with my upper and my partial, so I'm pleased. It makes me feel good because now I know I can smile like I mean it. The receptionist called me by name, she knew me, and her assistant was knowledgeable. They knew my medications, they knew what I was on. I appreciate that. If I knew someone else, I believe, I would recommend Dr. Boldridge. I would want somebody else to feel like they could come to see her and that she would not only make them feel okay, but that she had done everything possible for them to make them feel better and look better.